Hello Syntax students, in this tutorial we will be installing Git on our Mac system. Before we start with the installation, I would like to install software that is called Homebrew. So what is a Homebrew? Homebrew is a tool that will help us to perform installation of different softwares on the Mac system. So let me open my Chrome. Okay, I'm just gonna type in here install Homebrew. Okay, you can select on Mac. Here we will be navigated to our Homebrew page. As soon as you navigate it here, what we will need to do, we will need to copy this line. I will copy this. Okay. So now I will have to go into my terminal. Okay, from your search bar, you can just type terminal and hit enter. Okay, so our terminal will show up. From here, please type, we'll have to type cd space tilde and hit enter. So what is this command gonna do? It's gonna take us to our home directory. Okay, and as of now, don't be scared. We're gonna teach you all these Unix commands. So as soon as you perform cd space tilde, hit enter. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna paste the command that we copied earlier, and just go ahead and hit enter. All right. So now we will require to enter our password. As soon as you guys start typing it, you won't see the actual password in there. Let me type it. As soon as you typed it, go ahead, hit on enter. All right, if your password is correct, the script will start installing our brew. So here we will have to press return. So I'm just gonna click on enter. And the installation of our brew started. Alright, usually the brew installation is very quick. We'll wait. Okay, so what happened right now, installation is being successful. So now what are we gonna do? Let's check the version of our brew. So I'm gonna type brew space hyphen version, and I'm just gonna hit on enter. Okay, so if you successfully install brew, you will see the version of brew that we have. For now, what we would like to do, we would like to install Git. So now I'm going to run the command brew install Git, and I'm just going to hit on enter. All right, so brew will start Git installation, and it's usually take very quick process also. Alright, as soon as the installation done, to check it whether we install it successfully or not, just gonna type in here git hyphen version and hit enter. Okay, so in here, if you see in the Git version, it means you successfully install Git on your Mac system. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.